campers. Time for us to leave. So we have an interesting decision to make. Our routing has changed this morning. Our computer now wants us to go through the Prime's routing, and my GPS both now want us to take Interstate 44. Which would be fine, but yesterday they wanted me to do US 54. So I'm confused. But, you know what? It's only 30 extra miles, and I now have the excuse that Prime told me to go this way. So, we're gonna go the way we're told. The question really comes down to, do I prefer Oklahoma City or Kansas City? Because I have to go through one or the other. Well, if I go this way, I only have to deal with Kansas City. If I go left. If I go right, I have to deal with Amarillo, Oklahoma City, and St. Louis. I know my plan. That's a nice, easy choice for me to make. Let's go left. Would it have killed you to use your turn signal sooner? So another part of the reason I want to go this way is because, one, it's 30 miles shorter, no tolls, and two, the whole reason we stopped here last night and didn't keep going is because we were expecting to go on this route and I had nowhere else to park. If we were going to keep going on I-40, I have like 3 or 4 places to park east of here that are pretty reliable, not least of which is Vega, Texas, and Amarillo, both of which were within our range last night. It's like we could have kept going last night if our route had been that way. No, let's go this way. Let's go this way. It's going to be cheaper for the company in the long run. And it's going to be better for us by avoiding a couple of major cities.
164 miles ahead. Stay on US 54 East as US 412 splits off.
And it's shorter. By 30 miles. I'm being paid as though I'm going this route, so we might as well go this route. Also, personally, I happen to like the truck stops on this route a little bit more. Welcome back, folks. We are entering the town of Texhoma, right on the Texas-Oklahoma border. Do we technically enter Oklahoma before we enter town? Is that how this happens? Or is it like in the middle of town? I don't know. Driving through these little towns, always slow down to the speed limit before you get to the sign. Little towns have big cops. And they really like to pull over people from outside of town for speeding. There's no reason to rush. We're just gonna chill through here. Relax. It's good. We know where we're going. We know what we're doing. You're turning right. That's good. That's good. We got a left turn to make in a mile, so we're going to hang out in the left lane. anybody wants to overtake, which there is a cattle hauler coming up behind us. You might be going for the overtake. Can't tell how fast he's going. Definitely going. He's definitely speeding. Little monster. Ah, four-way stop. Okay. You're not turning. I'm not turning. Let's go. I like to stop at this truck stop on the left when I can, but I've been having some stomach issues today, so I don't really have the time. Whatever this was over on the right, gas station, I guess, is still gone. There's so many empty lots to the left. It's terrifying. This stuff happens every year in this country. This was just one of the years where a big town was the one that caught the short end of the stick. There's lots of strong tornadoes in America. Every now and then you get the unfortunate combination of a strong tornado in a big city. Welcome back, folks. We are departing the Casey's General Store and Truck Stop in Pratt, Kansas. This place is brand spanking new. Last time I came through this neck of the woods, it hadn't even been started yet, I don't think. So this is kind of amazing. For very long on this road? No idea. Let's go ahead and go. Because that national carrier's not getting out of there anytime soon. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. But yeah, no, that Casey's hadn't even been started last time I was through here, I don't think. Not that I'd have noticed unless it was kind of far along. I certainly don't remember it. I think it opened within the last few months, but it's super nice. It's huge. Proper truck stop. Probably about 40 parking spots, maybe 50. Plus a dirt lot you can park in, maybe. I don't know. The hotel might own the dirt lot. Don't know. Also, Walmart across the street, which is why we were here. I think the Walmart allows truck parking, but there's some recent reviews on the page that say they're getting a little annoyed with that still going on while the Casey's is there, so I opted to go the safe route, park at the Casey's, and walk over. Get my GPS.
121 miles ahead, stay on Kansas 61 north as it turns left.
Cool. You know, I opted to park at Casey's and walk over. It's one of those situations where where US 54/400 through this town has so much so much car traffic, that even though it's only one lane in either direction at that point with the center turn lane, it's easier to walk across it than it is to turn and cross it with a truck. So, yeah. Which is sad, very sad, but we're kind of heavy. I can run across the road faster than I can drive across it from a stop with this load. I do believe that says 65, sweet. Okie dokie, we are coming into Emporia, Kansas. I don't know what this guy on the right shoulder's doing. He just turned off his hazard, so he might be trying to pull out back into traffic. So we'll just stay over here for a moment. Alright, we're clear. Let's punch over. So we're going to stop at this Flying J real quick. Just, I mean, if there's parking, I might stay here, but I want to check out the situation as far as the parking is concerned. I don't think we're going to get a spot this late. This is one of those Flying J's that fills up.
0.2 miles ahead, turn right on US 50 East.
But, you know, we can at least look. We can at least look. But, if we don't get a parking spot, I'll just, stop somewhere out of the way for a minute. I'm not going to park illegally here. We've still got enough time to go find a real spot. Just park somewhere out of the way for a minute. Check my map, see if we can't find something better. I'm guessing from the number of illegally parked trucks that we're not going to get a spot here. Cool. No one coming?
Feet ahead, at Circle, take second exit on US 50 West.
I've never actually taken this exit from this traffic circle before.
0.1 mile
cool.
ahead, at Circle, take first exit on I-35 North.
Woo! We did it! And I believe right. Maybe I have done this before. This part feels familiar.
2 miles ahead, merge left on I-35 North.
Yeah, this part does feel familiar. I think I have done this before, but it's been a very long time since we went north from here. And there we go. We have avoided all of the possible toll roads on this route.
34.8 miles ahead, stay on I-35 North as Kansas 31 splits off.
Alright, so we've got an hour and 27 minutes. We're only going 35 to 27 miles. I know how math works. We're only going 27 miles. So that'll put us parking right about when we get down to that last hour on my clock. So that's absolutely perfect for what I like to do. No, Maxwell! Freaked out at another sign. Oh no, a sign! Brakes! Ah! Okay, dude, come on. I'm not even doing 60. Get faster than me. Step on it. Just do 58 and I'll never see you again. Thank you. Good thing Maxwell jammed on the brakes there. We'd have been right up that guy's butt when he tried to merge. See, it worked out. It worked out. And here we go. Alright, Swifty, I need you to go straight and not try and turn toward me. Thank you. I have never actually stopped at this TA before. I have no idea how the parking lot is set up. So I don't know what we're looking at as far as parking. Oh, good. That looks like ice or snow. It's 46 degrees out here. Should not be icy. But let's very gently onto this goop. So, the problem that we could run into tomorrow, the only real problem that I foresee, is if it gets really cold tonight, this parking lot's going to be real slick in the morning. But we have enough time on this load. We only have 888 more miles to do. So that's enough time. If we have to, we can wait for the thaw tomorrow, because it'll be... okay, Google. What's the weather forecast for Linden, Kansas tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Linden, it'll be cloudy with a high of 49 and a low of 42.
myself some nice dinner, which is going to be 2 egg sandwiches once again. I'm addicted to the things, I'm sorry. Now that I can cook them in the truck, oh, I've been having them almost every day. It's so wonderful. Like I'm back on my college diet. Not even my college diet. My college diet was like Wendy's for every other meal. It's not all that different from my trucking diet. At least my original trucking diet. We're working on changing the trucking diet. Lots more eggs in my diet now, which is definitely helping, I think. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Oh, like, comment, subscribe, you know, YouTube stuff. And Twitter. Twitter's the best place to say hi. Come say hi on Twitter. Hold on. There was a person. Hold on. Someone said hi on Twitter. Who said hi on Twitter? I saw someone. Someone said hi on Twitter. Like, last night. Load faster, Twitter. Candy Breland said hi on Twitter. So, yeah, say hi on Twitter. It's a great way to get a hold of me. I am such a weirdo. Yeah, I like Twitter. I'm on Twitter all the time. I check it literally every time I stop. So if you want something to get before my eyeballs, that is the way to do it. But I also read all the YouTube comments, so I guess that's fair too. But if you actually want to like have a conversation, Twitter's way better for that. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.